Hello everyone, welcome to today's demo on plugins. So you may be wondering, what exactly are plugins in AgenticFlow? So plugins are powerful extensions that add specialized functionalities to your agents. While MCPs, as we discovered previously, connect external tools, plugins add new capabilities directly within AgenticFlow. So let me show you how these work. Plugins are tools which exist inside agents. So to start off, we'll head into the Agents tab. And we'll go into a pre-existing agent. We'll just use this one, which we have used previously. And as you can see, we are taken to the Agent Builder page. And under the configuration section in the middle, we can see a plugins tab. So over here, I will add some plugins for us to try. I'll select a plugin from the built-in section, which are plugins built into AgenticFlow and included in your AgenticFlow subscription. So I'll select the Generate Image plugin as well as the Web Search plugin. I think these two plugins are useful for everyone in general. It can generate an image from a prompt or search the web for information on a topic. So think of plugins as like a workflow with one node or one step. So instead of going through the trouble of creating a workflow just to generate an image or creating a workflow just to search the web, with plugins, you can just have two clicks of a button and you can equip your agents with these useful tools without having to touch any workflows. So let me show you how convenient it is. So I'll just hit the save button, start a new chat, and I'll just, making use of the plugin, ask this agent to generate an image. So I'll just tell it to generate an image of a cute cat. Okay, just give it a moment. And we can watch it call this generate image plugin. So as you can see, the plugin is called, and then immediately you get the generated image right here, as convenient as it is. Besides this nifty image generation plugin, there are many other plugins which you can use to make your workflows as well as automations a lot more convenient. So for example, if you have an LLM API key, such as a Claude key or like something with OpenAI, you can actually utilize these plugins to better automate your tasks. So thank you everyone for watching. That's all for this video on plugins, and I hope this makes your journey with AgenticFlow much more convenient. Thank you.